Hey, I'm Twain, and I'm the Community Director and the Resident Assistant of Columbia Village. The 7 residence hall buildings of CV are dedicated in honor to each of the 7 fallen astronauts of the Space Shuttle Columbia. We house over 330 freshmen in suite-style apartments with 2 resident assistants in each building. I've been living here for 2 years, and trust me, this is the place to be. Let's go check out what else CV has to offer to incoming students. Welcome. Bienvenido. Wagwan. So each apartment is shared by 4 students. With our diverse student population, it's common to have roommates from all corners of the globe. I've had roommates from the Caribbean, the United States, Asia, and even Madagascar. Columbia Village offers students the privacy of an individual bedroom, 2 shared bathrooms, a kitchenette, and a living room. Hey, welcome home. All rooms have cable and Wi-Fi, so you can always stay connected. Bedrooms in Columbia Village come with a full set of furniture, including a twin bed, desk, chair, closet with a mirror, and dresser. Every bedroom also has cable television and phone jack if you want to bring your own TV and telephone. At the entrance of Columbia Village is our multipurpose room. Many students use this room as a meeting room, a game room, or a place to catch up on their favorite TV shows on the large flat-screen TV. The multipurpose room is equipped with comfortable furniture and tables and can be reserved by students for various activities. There are also laundry facilities in Columbia Village, which are accessible to students 24 hours a day. Students also have access to a 2-story garage within walking distance. Columbia Village is the perfect place to start your Florida Tech experience. I hope you enjoy the tour. If you have any questions, please let us know by contacting Campus Services. See you when you get to Florida Tech.
Yo, Twins. Wait, what's up?